Hi, today I bring to you a recipe which is very simple to make and extremely healthy, packed with plant protein, calcium, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, which will strengthen your bones, good for your immunity, and good for your overall health. We will be taking simple ingredients from your kitchen and turning them into superfoods. Hi, I'm Priyanka and I not just make beauty and makeup related videos, but I also give you an insight on how to be healthy and create magical recipes using simple ingredients that are available in everybody's kitchen. Because I truly believe that in order to feel and look good, you don't need tons of money, but the right intention and the right knowledge. So far I've talked to you guys about what miracles can kitchen ingredients do to your skin and hair, but the benefits multiply when you take them orally. Indian kitchens as it is have a great reputation because of the spices that we put in our food, thus increasing the food value of it. So wouldn't it be a great idea if you could take those simple ingredients and create an interesting recipe? So watch this video till the end to know the complete recipe and the health benefits. So the recipe that I bring to you guys today is extremely affordable, it is very easy to make, and the best part, you don't have to go to the market. So to start, we take 2 cups of makhanas. Makhanas are also called as fox nuts or lotus seeds. Makhanas are gluten-free, are rich in plant protein, calcium, and high in carbohydrates and very low in calories, thus making them a great snack to munch on, especially for those who are looking to lose weight. They are very beneficial for those who are suffering from high blood pressure, heart diseases and obesity, and they are very good for diabetics. Next, we take 100 grams of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, calcium, magnesium, and they are high in vitamin B. They aid blood sugar levels. They are very good for ladies who are going through menopause. They soothe arthritis pain and they lower cholesterol. Next, we take 100 grams of poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are rich in copper and calcium. Poppy seeds are known to improve digestion because they are packed with insoluble fiber which helps in improving digestion and treats constipation. They fight insomnia, they improve vision, and they are very good in treating kidney stones. Next, we take 100 grams of muskmelon seeds. Muskmelon seeds are low in calories and rich in magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and fiber. They are amazing for diabetics and people who are looking to lose weight. Muskmelon seeds also act as a great deworming agent in the intestinal tract and also help in flushing out the worms and the pests. Next, we take 100 grams of almonds. Almonds lower down the LDL levels. LDL is basically the bad cholesterol that's there in your body. They are packed with vitamin E, magnesium and potassium, which helps oxygen and nutrients flow more freely through your blood. They are very good for the bones. They are very good for treating anemia, increase mental alertness, and they are very good for the nerves. Next, we take 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are also called as saunf in Hindi. Fennel seeds are great for reducing water retention in your body and they improve digestion, bloating and constipation. Next, we take some black peppercorns. Black peppercorns, as we all know, are known to alleviate chest congestion and declog nose. Next, we take some saffron. Saffron is an effective tonic to treat cold and fever. It treats insomnia and it's very beneficial during pregnancy. Next, we take some dried ginger powder, which is also called as salt, and we take some green cardamoms for flavor. So all in all, we've taken simple ingredients and we are going to combine all the ingredients together now. So before combining, you need to make sure that you're dry roasting your makhanas, your almonds, sesame seeds, muskmelon seeds and poppy seeds separately in a pan. And once you've dry roasted all the ingredients, then you're going to mix all the ingredients together and blend them in a mixie jar. A great way to know when your makhana is roasted just right, you take a makhana in your hand and squish it in between your fingers, and if it dries out and if it breaks into a powder, then that means that your makhana has been roasted just right. So I have not added any sweetener in my powder. If you want, you can add mishri or rock sugar at this point. Mishri, is a healthier version as compared to sugar because it is not refined and it is not processed. So yes, you can add it during this time. Once you've blended all the ingredients together in a mixie jar and turn them into a powder, this is what you will be left with. For your mixture to integrate and combine well, you need to sieve it and store it in an airtight container. So the process of consuming this powder is very simple. Just take some warm milk and add a heaped teaspoon of this powder into your milk and mix it and just have it. Enjoy your healthy drink. And in case you don't drink milk, then you consume it as it is and have a cup of warm water over it, or green tea or any other kind of milk that you prefer, say almond milk or soy milk or any other kind of milk that you like. So I hope you guys liked my power-packed recipe. I hope my video helps you stay fit during these testing times. Do share it with your friends and family and whoever you feel may benefit from watching this video. I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, you guys take care and stay safe. Bye.